Anybody want to play charades?
No.
Listen, all we have to do is land at Cable Junction and wait.
Yeah, and how are we gonna do that floating on this garbage?
What's after Cable Junction?
The Atlantic. Then Ireland.
God, I'm hungry.
Air Patrol to base. I have a positive location on that sailing party. Disabled and adrift. About 3/4 of a mile west of Cable Junction. Wind and tide carrying them about due east. Is everybody all right? Is anybody hurt? Now listen, I'm gonna give you a tow to Cable Junction. Then I'm gonna call the Coast Guard to send a cutter. Throw me a line.
All right, come on, just easy. Take it easy. Here we go, here we go. All right, it's coming.
Oh, what a day.
Here you go! Okay! Now hold on to something.
Okay!
Hang on.